views and opinions expressed in this program are those of the speakers and do not necessarily reflect the views or positions of any entities they represent. The Voice Lounge, where voices come to life. Review with Tsepo Nonki and Shusi Kobelwana. Weekdays, 12 to 3 p.m.
Liam is here with us right now. Oh, hola. Hey, Liam.
Hello.
Are you good?
Good, how are you guys?
I'm great, man. Welcome to the Voice Lounge.
Thank you.
Fondini.
Yo.
It's so crazy to be interviewed by you guys because it's like, I don't know, I grew up with, seeing you as my uncles and I was young, so you guys probably have so many questions for me.
There are some embarrassing moments though, but being as back on a age yet man konbana man be highlight young as she was ndobana usesebecaca yena uba uzawuphelela kwilamlight.
Yes.
Yeah, because when I remember bekwazi ukuthi kushunyayelwa ayofuna uyothatha imicrophone.
Oh, shame.
Yeah.
Liam, ukhethekile.
Yeah.
Ukhethekile.
Malili.
Yes. Malili.
Yes.
Briefly, my dear, right now, your friends are listening.
Okay.
And you do have friends as Pretoria, Cape Town, Durban, Australia.
all over.
They're watching right now.
Yeah.
Wow.
Zaba if money chance to get to know about Liam Goapi, Ungumamni.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please
Yeah.
tell them.
Oliema Phansi. Girl child from Ekonce, Eastern Cape,
Yeah.
Ekensbeck West.
Yeah.
As along Anita no Pumezo. Firstborn child.
Yeah.
Yeah, what else can I need to ask Puti so that I
Ungumamni.
Oh, Dingmam Sukwin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Dingmam Sukwini.
Lufanya Umkhosa lo.
Yeah.
That they must know.
Yeah.
Umkhosa, Mamsukwini.
Yeah.
Mam Sukwin.
Yes,
Ongumxhosa,
Matibash. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
And apha sidibene nge-victory yakho we hear and we saw things unfolding even the last time Big Brother wayekhona, you understand?
Yeah.
The love for it, the urge or the desire to be, what made you, what inspired you to want to go there, Big Brother?
Okay, let me start like this. Big Brother is like a family show that my family was also invested in and liked.
Okay.
You know, I've always watched it and I saw what it does to small people, small creatives, people that want to be seen, people that want an audience. So, iqalile music yonke lento.
Okay.
Music is the foundation, music is the beginning, music was the journey. So because I also wanted an audience and for people to listen to my music, I decided, there's this show that my parents like watching called Big Brother.
Okay.
Let me try that out. And I was already releasing music at that time.
Okay.
So yeah, that's why I joined Big Brother, was because I wanted like an audience for just people, how many people, to just listen to me, listen to my music, because that's like I was just promoting myself.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the reason. I didn't know it will turn out to be, crazy like this, but yeah, the goal was always music.
Okay.
Yeah.
Before the season 2026, Liam, I want us to talk about what happened kwi-season edluleyo isizini edluleyo abantu babe crazy ngawe bekusupporta left right and center.
Eish, but the last season, 2024, yes, 2024, I was young, I was 22 when I entered the show. So I was a bit lost and naive or whatever. And yes, but they gave me an opportunity and dashala, and then they also gave me a choice. Do you want to stay in the house or get 250K?
Okay.
Because you're in that house, you don't know anything. the outside noise, what
Yeah,
people are saying
yeah,
about
too
you,
much
you
pressure,
can
yeah.
simply doubt yourself. You can easily doubt yourself in that house. So obviously, when they're offering you money,
Like you.
yes,
Yeah,
you know,
and it's a lot of money to
it is
fish.
a lot
Yeah.
of money, you know. And
but what's the-
keep in mind, the goal was only music.
Yeah.
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 So, mind you, I did choose that money by mistake because there was in the back of my mind, in the manga
Okay.
I didn't hear instructions kakuhle.
Okay.
Ndavele ndapressa zeza games.
Yeah.
And I was
yeah.
not consulted before.
Yeah, you can't consult. They told you once.
know
They
what,
tell you
can't.
once. If you reveal or uba uyivanga uyivanga, it's up to you. So yeah, but I took the money and I went home. That's how I left in my first season.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And realizing after you've made that decision, Robana, hey, I've made a wrong decision. How did you feel?
Yeah, when I came out, people were emotional. Like a lot of people, I saw that I had a potential winner, a slight potential winner in the house. But you know what? I didn't regret myself.
Yeah.
I feel like still, la mali,
It was worth it. Yeah.
Yes, yeah, for la nyaka. So yeah.
Wow. And you made a decision that you're coming back again.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
And you.
And thank you for coming back. Yeah, thank you for coming back. I understand when you say you in that house there's a lot going on. You can even doubt yourself. I understand because while we're sitting there also watching from home, you can feel the intensity of it. You could hey, yeah, uyabona upper pressure is too high. We understand umntu nyani needs to you need to be on your toes and be sober and be vigilant kuyo yonke into oyenzayo. But I like the part of music because in every episode being a funny pele with you singing as something.
Yes.
Was that your source of strength or your way of?
yes, it was. In this season, I don't want to lie, I've had a lot of good memories.
Okay.
I feel like I was very intentional clay season.
Okay.
As much as still I didn't know what was going on outside. And on top of that, I am in so much pressure because I'm coming for the second time.
Okay.
So now yonke into endiyenzayo funeka ndichwechwe.
I get you.
You understand?
Yeah.
So there were limited in that house. There's limited things to do for you to get back to yourself, for you to still remain who you are.
Yeah.
So you can sing, you can pray,
Yeah.
and that's how I kept myself sane in the house. Yeah. But it was not for really promoting my music because I already did that for the first season.
Yeah.
And lento bendifuna yenzeka. This time around, I just really wanted to go there for redemption. And go enjoy myself because the last season I didn't enjoy myself at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, ne? All right, if you just tuned in right now, we're talking to Liam 21 minutes after 1. Asifuna ukuvala ngaphandle, we can say abani bathumela. Now if une question onayo ku Liam, hit us right down 083 9507019. Mhlambe yakhawulezisa 083 9507019. Hit us up right now. Ngizozike senayi ke uLiam. Sininzi izinto. Liam masihambe sepha there was a week up ku Big Brother where kwakuthiwa wena awuse through to the final.
Yes.
So kushaking ukabanye. Kuvotwa. Ndifuna uva kuwe, what was going through your mind the time uzazi so welile? Ngoba into oyiqomba ngaba this time yeyam lento okanye msithi Nkosi yami uyazi yabonakala.
Ayobonakala. Yo, because I don't want to lie. Top 6 kwayona, it was like people that deserve to be there. I'm not saying abantu that left.
Okay, yes.
Just their stories. Everyone had a redemption story, and everyone deserved to be in the top 6 or potentially win, right? Because of their backgrounds, their stories, their storylines in the house. There was a lot going on. So of course I'd look at people and I'm like, yo, you win, Nancy win, Nancy you win. So yeah, obviously, I did thank God and I did see, but okay, you know what, Lento, take Lento because first of all,
Say it again.
Inai.
Yeah, say it again.
because first of all, yeah, ndaphuma nge-games most the last time, and this time ndasiwa kwi-final kwakwezo games, right? To me, that was like alignment. It was completing the whole redemption theme and story and interdizeleyo. So also there was an altercation that, you know, needed for God to show himself in that moment. So I felt as if, no, you know what, God is with me and there is a potential for me to actually make it. But at the same time, Lord, if it's not mine, it's fine. It's also fine. You know, like every kid, your children here deserve it as well.
Okay.
Divenam.
Wow.
Wow.
I like that kind of a prayer because you say everyone deserves it.
Yes.
Because one would be selfish enough to say this must be mine. This must be mine. I think one knew about it in a way you bribe him now.
Bribe it down.
Yes.
I pray like that one. They need it. They need it, Lord. You know, and so do I.
So we don't know what's happening in that house.
Yes.
Ingaba niba nayo chance kwezi nsuku mhlawumbe usuku lusithile nawunyuka umzuzuni ukwazi check phone zenu makwenzeka ntoni?
No, absolutely not. 3 months, no phones, no connections to the outside world at all. You don't know what's going on outside for 3 months. I think the only time you can interact a bit with the outside is on Sunday, because that's when you can hear the crowd from the screen. Saved, but still there's nothing that we're hearing. Akonto siyaziyo.
It's tough, very tough. Sure.
But I advise for mtotandi fonai. Honestly.
Okay.
You need that break.
Yeah, you need
because Big Brother is challenging your mind, your spirituality, your mental, for you to know yourself more. And if phones, honestly, they distract us.
Yes.
And because Big Brother gives us tasks every day and every week, you get to know yourself more. And even in challenges, fighting with people, you're like, oh, okay, ndinjena xa irritated. So it's good.
And
it's good. Yes, it's good.
And was there a moment where you have to be truly yourself? Okanye just for the sake here, but under normal circumstances,
there's also that. No, there's also that. That's the one restriction that we have in the house, which you can't beat anyone up. No matter how justified you are to beat that person, if you beat someone up, you are leaving the house. You're forfeiting the 2 million. So there are moments where, but I'm not a fighter though. So I didn't get much pressure to beat anyone up.
Okay. But you Zekonan is very much irritating. I noticed
yes.
This one. Yeah. And then when that time umntu should suggest to eliminate ban, how is the relationship after that? Ungayazi bana nominations.
Yes.
How is the relationship? Because it's a mystery, Moss. It's a secret. You don't know what did he say about me there, what she said or what he said about me.
Yeah, that's the thing. Because of stress. You're going to stress if you're thinking about, maybe my friend nominated me and stuff. In that house, it's reality. It's also a game. As much as it's reality, it's also a game. Your friend can nominate you because they find you as competition, not because they hate you. They genuinely like you as a friend, but also you can take my 2 million and I don't like that. It doesn't mean that. But it's also very contradictory at the same time because from the outside world, when you nominate umntu that you call your friend, you're seen as a snake or you're seen as someone or
because
I understand. But at the end of the day, it is a game. It's reality in that house. And the top 6, for example, it was people that I liked. Top 10,
Yeah.
actually. It was a lot of people that I liked in the house. So yeah, uzonomela iitshomi zakho at this
Yeah,
point because
yeah.
ningaka nibancinci
Ewe.
and niyavana nonke. So it's reality in that house. I don't think it's that deep.
No, I
Yeah.
get you. I get
All
you.
right. 28 minutes now after 1 right here at the Voice Lounge where voices come to life. Nwabisa and support Alfred. Uti, hey, Liema. Kodingakho mntu asekhaya ndikuthanda into eninzi uthi worried
Oh,
kakwazi
lovely,
kanti
lovely.
uba seKing Williamstown uthi uzawujikela eqonce akayazi uzakubhaqela ndawo na but
Eringini.
uzakudibana nawe eqonce ubonile ipayi uyazithanda uzawudibana nawe eqonce and samasafunda ke dibe ishuba this one uthi yena please ask Liema what was the feeling surrounded by many housemates and please tell Liema in Pretoria Union buildings we managed to convince 2 street adults to vote for her, which was 400 votes. That was very emotional. And the third one said, when I told him about registering, Defuna, okay. Okay,
All right.
This one's from Osisi Toko.
Oh, man.
Shout out Sis Toko.
Sis Toko,
Thank you so much.
Yes, sibenaye ke untsikelelo yena useGrahamstown uthi my sister uthi nse excited nangoku to see intombi yethu yasephondweni kwisithatha isixako sethu esisa kunqanaba eliphezulu.
Yes.
Shout out to you man. Hey,
Shout out.
omnye ke uthi akhona yena uthi jonga andikuthandi uthi ingxaki le weekend ibambeke enkonzweni kodwa ke ndiphosiwe uthi
Yeah.
ngamind ukuya eqonce uyobona ndikuthanda into engapha yeah. All right.
Yeah.
29 minutes after 1 right here at the
That's
Voice
lovely.
Lounge where voices come to life. Yamanithumela ke abanye sibacheck siqhuba nje 1:30 ixesha elichanekileyo right here at the Voice Lounge.
Yeah.
Mamela ke beningayazi about what's happening outside with the world. And
Yes.
right now, I mean that time, yo, ako mini be stressed shoes jenga a week before. What was that Sunday kavalwa ne?
Yeah.
La veki. And again, we must say, thanks to fans zakho guys. Fans zakho Liema, they showed up. Kwindawo ke now. Abanye they even came here apha kuthi studio and sancokola nabo.
Yeah.
Besithi bhuti sincedini. We can show you pictures. Sincedini. Let's do this. And ufumana uthando shoes from people abangakwaziyo Liema.
Yes.
Abangafuna ugaina
Abafuni next athi ndawuzinama lamhlanje ixesha lam
Ixesha lam lonke.
I'll make sure bangaba ndiyavota because ndiyayithanda le ntombi.
hayi unyanisile nyani uba bemnyoba uThixo because the favor that she got from people from different provinces bruh. I was even touched when you see KwaZulu Natal imatch ingaye. Oh, that was awesome because that's another province. Uyayazi ba izinto
Yes.
especially benomntu wabo who was also there. Bebenokwazi ukuthi phakama KwaZulu for umntu wethu.
Yeah, but again,
yeah.
they showed love.
Yeah.
Kuwe.
How
Strong
amazing.
ibhekile yo. Strong umthanda ndithi namna.
Hayi ustrong umthandazo.
Phela ntoni shoes. Ibhekile kaMthenga.
Hayi ndithina mna. Wenza ngotsho uandi abhuti athi ndithina mna.
Ibhekile vela.
Umthandazo wakho you really the favor of God because you were loved with God when you were loved with people. People just loved you.
And again,
Thank you.
that time uyabona abanye baninzi I can name baninzi man ndibabona ngexesha le kuvotwa kula veki.
Yeah.
Abanye bathi ndithatha i-day off namhlanje. Sisendleleni
Yeah.
siyakhambina siya kwi-shopping center siya emarenkini sicela ivote
Yeah.
hamba ngoteksi kumisa iteksi erenkini kuyiwe kubo bavote
Yeah.
and hey yanthatha shoes ndacinga uba hey abantu bakwazi umxhasa umuntu
Kakhulu.
and support bengamazi bengajonganga nzuzo
Yeah.
but bebona mangaba le ntombi sifuna yona
Yeah.
thina ibe kanti iwina
Hey.
kule season le season i-Eastern Cape iphakama yonke
Ah, yeah.
yathi kuzokwenzeka this season and kwenzeka
Yeah.
now
Wow, guys.
sisondele kancinci right now siye on that day ye final
Yes.
Bekusenzeka ntoni apha kuwe?
kusenza lona waking up in the morning knowing that later on kulo mcimbi
Yeah.
Yo, it was so nerve-wracking. So the night before,
okay
wrong. Because it was the last party. So we woke up a bit dizzy, but it's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
So the day was really, really very short because we woke up late and we had to pack. Big brother prepared for us to do our nails. Now he's telling us to wash and quickly, prepare for the stage. So I'm not sure throughout the day how I was feeling because there was a lot of things happening.
Okay.
But I did have a moment in the morning where I did pray and I did, just thank the Lord for whatever happens, because at least I'm in the final.
Yeah.
At least I made it this far.
Yeah.
And you're like I'm in the top 5.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that's enough. So whatever happens, God,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you that I'm finally leaving this place.
Oh man.
So, and then and then it was time, and then people started to leave one by one. My friends are leaving, and then now it's top 2. I'm like, wow, hey, the winner is between us, son.
Yeah.
Hold it there. You have to hold it there. 24 minutes now. No, it's about 26 minutes to 2 right here at the Voice Lounge, where voices come to life. And I'm going to song in the show. So that's why the man Babamba is fucking
Yeah.
send us WhatsApp right now. The question and I can go not to Kuliema. Make sure you send us WhatsApp on 083 950 7019. Uti quickly lo. Uti hi Lily. I just want to say congratulations, girl. Your win healed us as Lilies from Siamosha. We wish you all the best in your future and
Thank
tell our
you.
social media manager we love him as Lilies.
Thank you so much. Social media manager. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, all right. Lona ke uthi unzali usephotographer naye uthi girl uthi ndisedumdumna ngoku benicelebrate mina ngathi ndilapho khasi lala ntshomi zam
Oh, madoda.
oku celebrate namhlanje lusuku nzima kuthi emsebenzini ngoku sibe ichance ba sibukele interview uthi sinjalo girl we
Yeah.
happy si excited and asisoli ngoba sikule meko
Oh man.
sikuyo
Oh man. Yeah.
kabalale sana
Yeah.
beqhuba nabo
Sana.
Yeah.
Akulaleki.
Akulaleki.
Akulaleki tu.
Njani.
Okay, so make sure that we get 2 mail. So we kwasheka 2.
Yes. Kosheka 2, which it's both girls.
Yeah.
And that's also new in that franchise, eh? Amantombazana my 2 army
Yeah.
together for the win. So yeah, iconic match.
Yeah.
They give it. So yeah, that happened, and at that point, I was also just grateful that I'm in the top 2.
Yeah.
And whatever
So,
happens,
at the back of your mind, did you prepare yourself, Bana, in case I don't win, in case I win, this will be my reaction? Kangu benazo izinto ezinjalo bana.
no,
Okay.
I don't think you prepare a reaction.
Bakhona abantu abazilungiselela into
Yeah.
bana ubani winanga apha okay amzamahaka
Abantu-
iqine.
Yo,
Did congratulations although I know ba
Yeah, kwakushekene nothandeka, right?
yes.
Yeah, kwakushekene. And into enzima kakhulu. Ish, okay. All right. Okay. Zangena ke WhatsApp zapho. And this one uthi nina uthi proud of you Liam ngu Wendy from Johannesburg. Wendy from Johannesburg uthi proud of you kwaye ndakuthanda Liam kakhulu.
Thanks, Wendy.
Thank you,
and
my
then
love.
uthi Luna uthi hello Liam, I'm Nokulunga from KZN ngithi nje siyabonga
How?
kakhulu sisi sithukiwe uthi ngokweseka kodwa ke singaphela amandla, we love you girl.
Oh.
Oh, thank you.
Siyabonga
yeah.
KwaZulu
Siyabonga
Natal. Oh my
KwaZulu.
God. Oh my God, that's great.
Keep on sending those texts, guys. 083 950 7019. Nokubonga. I know they said earlier on that there were people from KZN showing love in the upper, yeah.
Yeah.
So, Liam, that night, then wa announce winner
Oh,
shoes.
announce again. That moment. It will
Announce-
end the winner.
And again,
Oh my God.
Drum beat.
2 hours before announce winner. So the laugh is yabo.
Yeah.
And kwindawo zonke zobumnandi kuvulwe ibhiki.
Yeah.
Xoka.
DJ yima ku DJ ke wonke indawo ngendawo.
Hala xoka guys.
I'm telling you.
Serious.
Buccaneers never done.
Everywhere
Jonga,
you go to Sunset,
Jonga.
you go to Mdantsane,
Jonga.
you go to Ekoneni kwindawo
Oh,
eninzi.
man. Oh,
Not
man.
zezi ndizibonileyo apha.
Yeah.
But I know Mthatha behle.
Nakwezinye
I
indawo,
know
yeah,
PE
definitely.
behleli.
Because
I
East London
know
was very much
Jeffreys
alert.
Bay.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
kwaqhutywa ke ndithe ndiphakama mna ndiyogalela ilika layo
Oros yakho.
chaza wina ingxolo ndayivayo
Yo.
engathi building
World
yawo
Cup. It was like we
kwenzeka
World
Oh
Cup.
my
no.
God.
Yeah, it was like we World Cup.
What?
kodwa
Wow.
kusinywa endlini ndathi ndathi bendiqonda ndathi amen
Ukubona New Year's Eve xa kusuka as a cricket ngala 12.
mamela
Yeah.
ke
Hayi New Year
I'm
kaloku.
telling you.
I know mhlawumbi ongabikho wena ngo-1999 simuva siya kumillennium yasithonga sika 31st
Yeah.
yaka-99 xa kunje yangala mini yakho sisi
Ngokusiya ku-2000.
Yeah.
yes inoise yayingapha ya so xa siphumayo ngokusiya kwizitrato zalapha east london zonke rezihleli ivalekile i-oxford
Yeah.
ngapha
Yeah.
uyafuna ucelebrate uyayiva ingxolo yasemalinda
Yeah.
uyayiva ngapha itsho njalo isnary park
Abanye sebephuma ngebhijama ke ngoku. Yeah.
kaloku sebusuku
Wow,
I
Liam.
saw
I-traffic
videos.
officers
I saw
zisengxakini.
some
Yeah.
videos.
kwanyanga zaba ziphangele wabusuku ucontrol abantu
Yeah.
ii-celebration ezingumangaliso left right and center
And we're still celebrating.
Yeah.
We're still
njengabo bathi
celebrating.
baserongo nangoku
We are
kabalala
still akulaleki.
So ngala du kuthi and the winner.
Oh my
Khawutsho, khawusikrobise.
Yo.
What happened
Sana,
there?
my heart stopped. But yeah, even in those moments,
yes
guys, like I don't know if ndizothandithini like it's not like bengakhathali uba bekwenza kantoni, but I just had peace in my heart. But you know what, it's fine. Like whatever happens,
Whatever happens.
it's okay, Lord. You know, like I'm in the top 2. I made it. I'm gonna work hard outside the house. And while I'm telling myself that, like I'm
Yeah.
zoned out.
Yes.
Okay.
While trying to tell myself and console myself, and then they announce my name. I'm like,
yo
Is it happening really?
what?
yo
What?
Me.
uthini ne
No ways.
Yo.
No ways. But God is good.
All the time.
and all the time
Yeah.
God is good. And thank
And
you
that
to
was the moment.
He is
every
very good.
single
And-
person who
and-
voted.
Sakena
Sana.
Nkosi yami. Okay. Uthini lona? Uthi maliliza.
Oh,
Ngiyacela ungifollow on TikTok. Uthi ke kumanzi 5 uthi sincame saxabana nabangane bethu. Ngiyakuthanda ntombi.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Nalolo
Ngubani ke?
ngumelo
Melo asangazopropose.
wakantuli.
Melo sonxama kaloku we're still in business but guess fine.
No, she's a lady.
Oh, she's a lady. Oh, I get.
Yeah, na iphuma KZN. Yeah,
really?
iphuma KZN. Yeah, so yeah.
We love you, Melo. Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
that.
much.
And
Yeah.
thank you guys, because
Nixabene nabangani baxabene nabangani bakhe.
kaloku pha KZN bakhona bathi Xhosa kakhulu no. Yini man.
Yini man.
So now yeah.
Thank you Melo.
Right now safuna ukufaka nawe ukuba ke outside you can send us njengalona utlona hey Lily, this is Sihle from East London. Congratulations Thandwa, you've made us to fall in love with you as Lilies.
Yeah.
Uthi my screams
Oh,
were
my
too
lilies.
loud.
Oh man.
Uthi my screams were too loud on your winning that day. Uthi I even shared a tear. God has got your back
yeah.
no matter
Amen.
what. Stay strong, stay focused. Never stop putting that that lovely smile on your face. I love you, Lego sis. Oh,
And there were many
it's from
tears
Usihle.
there.
Hey, Sihle.
Sihle.
Yo,
True
yes.
that. There were many tears there.
Yeah.
Shout out, Sihle. Shout out.
Uthini lona quickly guys sabafaka nabantu bathina uthi lona hair refuel guys uthi hey Tsebza and shoes uthi Nick Mpeta Mdantsane. Please say hi to my Lily. Uthi I love her so much and I wish
Oh,
her
man.
all the best in her future. Oh Nkosi yami ilove engakanana Nkosi
receive,
yami
I receive.
ilove engakanana.
Yeah.
You can hit us up nawe ke sinalo ithuba nokho sokwazi bavimba shoes
Yeah.
sije sobabini send us WhatsApp nawe nanku lapho lithuba onalo kuye
Yeah.
kuba ngixake kakhulu uyawusenda ke pha kuba 083 950 7019 ilula kakhulu and there's that you can see nalapha below the screen
Yeah.
number where you can send us a WhatsApp. So that night kwabhiyozwa akwalalwa and ke ngizama ujoba okay imba kanti ngoku nokuyalalwa say 2 hours 3 hours kugqityiwe announce hayi manje akulalwa akulalwa
kanjani kaloku sana
Yeah.
kwamhlophe
zange ndilale nam
Kungalala njani? Oh.
I didn't even sleep.
sakulalwe
I
sana
couldn't sleep that night. Yeah.
I think you were floating somehow. I don't know the feeling now. How was the feeling kuwe ngela xesha after
On stage or after?
even on stage and going forward?
Yes, I was floating. I was. Hey, I can't describe it, but it was. I was shocked.
Yeah.
It was so unbelievable for me because, guys, when I tell you I made a big risk by going back again, because you know how South Africa is, they get bored easily of people that they've seen before, especially in the Big Brother franchise. So it was a lot, even on my name, saying, "Hi, it's unfair. Why are they coming back again?" But zange attack mnamo, which I don't understand why they attacked me more.
Okay.
But I felt it even inside the house. And you feel it, but outside in South Africa. No man, this girl is not supposed to be here. It's
Bekanjalwanga kanti.
it's unfair.
Yeah.
Ra, 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 ra. So hence I had a lot of pressure but you know what, I put that aside and I told myself that I'm going to enjoy myself, but I didn't think it was going to lead me to the end,
Yeah.
if I'm being honest with
Okay.
you.
Yeah?
Yes, because obviously there's new housemates and also they deserve a chance. Maybe they're going to say, "Hi, masimkhuphele sasimbonile, she doesn't have anything to offer.
Yeah.
Siyayazi personality yakhe, mkhiqeni makaphume,
Yeah.
and then sihlale nababatsha." But they didn't do that, and
Yeah.
I'm so shocked and happy and ecstatic, you know, that's wow, like God graced me
Yeah.
2 times in a row, because even the last time,
Yeah, it's 2 times in a row. Coming to think of
even
it.
the last time, it's
Yeah.
not an offer that was given for everyone. It
Yeah.
was a such a weird offer.
Such a weird offer.
Such a weird offer.
Of which I thought I was going to take the 250.
Exactly. Like
Yeah.
a lot of people were going to.
Yeah.
So but yeah, that's when I knew that man, the hand of God is upon me. And
Yeah.
shame
Praise
to
God. Yeah.
the people who hate me. They will scatter more because I'm protected by the heavens.
Yeah.
Unfortunately for them.
And then there is a saying that if you can't beat them, join them. So he's welcome to be your friend.
Yes, you are very welcome.
Yeah.
We are welcoming on this side.
Yeah.
We are happy this side.
Yeah, truly.
Guys,
We are millionaires this side.
Get out of here. We millionaires this side, eh?
I can't get me to please.
Oh, Healy.
Ayikho kuwe. Okay, ufaka nje abanye guys because hey nabo babonisa ilove ngumangaliso. Uthi oh sithandwa sami esihle ngokuthi ndifunda the way black god. So xa ngikhuzayo ungathi ndayibaxa.
Okay.
Uthi oh sithandwa sami esihle. Uthi please let her know that she's always in my prayers. Ndimthanda ndizenzi.
Wow.
Uthi my son even says nansi firstborn yakho mama. Whenever he sees her. Uthi whenever he sees her uthi ngoku I had to vote for okay uthi ndimthanda engapha yana le love vela pha yakhe kulisa. All right. Uthi hey
Hi,
afuna
Lisa.
uthanda kakhulu nabantwana bakhe endlini bayazi but mama
Firstborn.
hands firstborn yakho lapha endlini. So yabona love iyamkela abantu bayazi ba umama ngafuna over ngoliyema quickly
Ithandwa ngabantu abadala.
Hey, Fundile.
Nanso
hey
ndothuka loo nto
ingapha ya
It's so
lona uthi ngosi ayindelipha lo nkosi yama okay igama lakhe lona uthi hayi Mihlali ngumihlali lona from eGqeberha uthi ndiyakuthanda kakhulu nami liyema sithando sami uthi nomntana nami una 3 years uthi akaziva ngawe sabona TV uyaqhuma
uthendwa nazingelosi.
yeah uthi mama izobona uliyema utsho ungapha yena lona eGqeberha uthi umntana nami una 3 years uthi mama ndijikele uyantsala mama izobona kuliyema
Awuthendwa nazingelosi nakanjani.
so ilove engumangaliso ndiyibona apha lona ke uthini quickly uthi hey Lisa congratulations Mfazi the way my mom was praying for you Ntombi you really want inhliziyo ezininzi ndingusiphokazi mna mbalo ndilapha ke Alice edikeni
Yeah.
hayi sifoka zimbalo
uyayibona nento ngaba kungenile abazali kule
bandithandazela.
Yeah.
into ka-Big Brother iba ngabantu abatsha ababukelayo
yeah,
but
yeah.
abantu abatsha batsala abazali babazali
Yes,
sincedeni
Yeah.
sidinga imithandazo apha
It is a family show, and
Y-
they
yeah.
there actually are group chats as well that
ne
pray for me.
Yeah.
uthini lo
And
quickly
it's so
ndizawuzama ke
beautiful.
guys because of ixesha nxa bangabantu kwasakho sifuna zingena ngongena zininzi kakhulu baninzi abanamlela wena uthi lona hey Liema, this is Phumla all the way from a northwest eBrits uthi yo girl, I'm happy for you. Congratulations on your win. We really healed as lilies on Siamosha. May God bless you and I love you. Ntombi.
Thank
Vela
you,
kusesiphumla
Ntombi.
lena. And again, samshesha quickly. Unoqhuba.
Yeah.
Unoqhuba lo
Yeah.
Liema.
Yeah.
Zininzi guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Now, Liema, coming to you, the family was there, ne?
Yes.
Yeah, and then how was the feeling? How is everyone, Ekaya, when the announcement was made? Itini into.
Oh, my mom was. She flew all the way
Okay.
Okay.
to Joburg for the watch party, and my aunt and my brother and my uncle. So bebe bukele. And when I got announced about home by staging,
Oh,
that
man.
other side, but not on
Okay,
on,
yeah.
on my side, there was a watch party somewhere in Joburg.
Yeah.
Baxhoma sana ba.
Oh, man.
But
Oh,
jump
man.
staging.
man.
It was such an emotional moment for
It's true, I can
everyone. And
imagine.
I remember my brother giving me the phone, a staging Gengoko, when I got announced. And Nikki phone if and then my aunts, Apa King, you were
Yeah.
video calling me, and my cousins, everyone was just
Oh,
screaming.
man.
And I was also screaming because it's like,
Oh man.
what? But yeah, my family is really proud.
Yeah. And having supported you through thick and thin.
Abalalanga.
Yeah.
Badumbile nasi stress nangoku.
Yeah.
Uthe ngalelo stress nangomnye uthi lona ungumimi uthe Liza Ntombi, you stressed us down sana. Uthi as a result I will never watch uBBM again because I never want to be so attached to a stranger like I did this past
Oh,
season.
man.
Uthi in the final week I would find myself praying and asking God to show us that He can do it for you.
Yeah.
That was my exact prayer.
Uthi noba ngaba
Write that
ndiyaphi
down.
uthi
Yeah.
noba ndiyaphi ilove engumangaliso wena lena endibonayo from abantu abangakwaziyo and shoes basishulele on that le love ayiveli from only Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
You can see abantu from
South Africa.
Northwest
Africa.
oh, Nkosi yami.
Africa.
Yeah.
Oh,
And-
actually, I have some US people as well.
Yes.
UK.
Wow.
Nisi brand
So
ngokunkulu.
a very big one.
Yeah, brand enkulu.
So what would you say, Liema, like maybe your upbringing, or
Okay.
maybe your belief, maybe your conduct, your behavior? What are the things of conduct, Bana, they've helped you through this?
Yeah.
Journey.
Yes,
Yeah.
and like shape her to be what you are today.
Ooh, I think that's two different questions.
Questions,
ne?
yes.
Okay. I think nyani imfundiso zikamama ngoKristu zingincedile in the house, because even I would share the same
Okay.
knowledge with them, because ndibabona uba abakho right.
Okay.
So I'd read them a word or two, pray for them. My friends know. And I think it helped with, whatever was going on with us in the house. I think my upbringing is very humble beginnings. And I have remained grounded. And I think that has helped me a lot as well, because abantu gravitated towards that, seeing ubana dizipholele.
Yeah.
Kubone, but yeah, I know explain about why did people gravitate towards me,
Okay.
but I just feel like Umama did a good job, nomakhulu wami.
Okay.
And as much as they're proud of me, I'm proud of them. Because they black, smart, beautiful
Yeah.
girl.
Yeah. And I used to
So-
look like you.
Yes, yes.
Mona.
No, we used to go to town together.
Exactly.
Yes.
Get out of here.
And the second question.
Okay, this one would hey Uti, hey, I'm a Lily from Beyond the Borders. What I just want to say, congratulations to Liam. You made the show. Uti, beautiful. Okay, to watch. I wish you all the best in everything that you do.
Thank
Much
you.
love from Mel in Zimbabwe.
Hi, Mel.
Thanks, Mel. Thanks, Mel,
from
man.
Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Lona ke uthini?
Beyond the borders.
Yes.
Beyond the borders.
Uthi
Yeah.
lona hey Liam, aya lona from Durban. Oh sis, congratulations Tando Sam. What a homecoming. Sicela a reality show with
Hey,
girls. Yeah, you see lapha yonke le
Yo,
nto.
enye
You guys gave us a show. You guys gave us a show. Uthi love you. Uthi
Oh my, they should hear that.
Yeah, that should be something you put it in your archives for the future as well.
Yo, no, it's really for the far future, not
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
Yes, ne?
Put it on
Yeah.
your archives, that one.
Yes,
but I
yeah.
see
it's
abantu-
actually in my diary and
Yeah.
one of my
Yeah.
goals in life to
Yeah.
have a reality show. But also, Big Brother could also count as a reality show. You know, I don't have to have another one. Hi.
And you know, I think abanye apha ba-enjoy ukubukela so bathi
Yeah,
ngoku, "Hey, baza kubona phi kwakhona
Yeah.
uyabo yona ngamandla lona kuthi quickly uthi I am Kiboletse from Northern Cape Kurumane uthi I love you so much wena Liam uthi ndikuthande kwakudala uthi khange ndiphinde ukuthanda uthi yeah thank you very much nangomculo uthi enjoy kakhulu ukumamela wena
Thank you so
uthi
much.
ngikurata
Yeah.
yeah
And
uthi-
I,
Ratsa down.
yeah.
yes so baninzi kakhulu iyabonakala nyhani uthando lungapha ya Liam right now I want you to talk to a young lady efana nawe out there estradweni right now with amaphupha you know uyaboniswa ngobomi bakhe and mhlambe kakukhona kwi-urban area like thina sise-East London mhlambe lo muntu ukubukela from a rural area usezilalini M20 mhlambe ngapha KZN okanye usezilalini ngapha eLibode you understand young girl banamaphupha ungathini kulana ungamele right now
Pupa Lako, make it your ministry, make it your life, make it your baby, something you protect and you run with. Make it your purpose,
Yeah.
honestly, because God can never give you something or give you an idea or a desire in your heart. Can't you're not supposed to achieve it.
Wow. I like that.
Yes, can never happen. God is powerful and but write down your vision.
Amen.
He gives you a choice.
Yeah.
Okay
You have free will to follow your dreams. You have free will to write your vision down. You have free will to work on your dreams wherever you are.
Yeah.
And God will set the path for you. I'm also from a rural area.
okay
I've went to idols. I've went here and here.
Yeah.
Get on the competition here and here because I was doing what I can where I am. And uThixo wayilungisa indlela yami
Okay.
because uyabona ba ndifuna uba ngumuntu,
Yeah.
ndifuna ukukhulula ekhaya lami. I want to break generational curses.
Yeah.
So that's what I would tell a young child, that your dream is your ministry. It's very, very important for you to follow your dream.
Nice.
Do what you can where you are.
Okay.
And I know a lot of people take this quote of mine as something very simple and ngathi ayenzeleleki. No,
Yeah.
really do what you can where you are. Like Mandela, they come from rural areas.
Yes.
He has a statue everywhere in the
Exactly.
world. Nanku Zahara,
Exactly.
she was elalini. Watata guitar, she made a song.
Yeah.
She met people. She put herself in places.
Yeah.
So Zibini,
Exactly.
Zibini,
Yeah.
she's Miss Universe.
Yeah.
Do what you can where you are and never give up on your dream. Because guys, really, when you chase your dream, God will literally help you. He will set the right path for you. So
Nice.
that's what I believe in. And I know for kids that are like far, like in real areas, it might seem like it's impossible because of circumstances and situations, but no, it really is possible.
Yeah.
Nothing is impossible.
Nothing
with God.
is, say it again, nothing is impossible.
Nothing at
Yeah.
all.
Mm.
Yeah.
All right.
And what I like, Chapman, is that
Okay.
Uliema, whatever she says, it comes from personal experience.
Yes.
Yeah, she's not saying anything. She's been through things.
Yes,
She's
yes.
overcome the things.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that's why I tell her from a point of conviction that noba uphi, noba uselalini, I've been
Yeah.
there. I know.
Yeah.
We understand. And look at me now. Imandi ke la testimony umuntu xa inikeza
Look at me now.
ngobomi bakhe angathetha into ayive ifunde encwadini.
Okay.
You understand? So thina sifuna ukuthi isibindi. Isibindi wena Liema obenaso to come back ku Big Brother.
Yeah.
Because I think that took a lot of courage.
Yeah.
Did
Oh,
honestly
yeah.
did.
Yeah.
Yeah, it honestly did.
Yeah.
Like I said, it was a risky decision because I've already been in the house
Yeah.
and been senza umculo ndihlale ejozi ngoku ehlaba bendidrima ngalo kubone. So it was a risky decision for me to go back, but Mnasheme, I only went there for vibes, eh?
And good vibes.
I only went there for vibes.
Now
But look at what
and-
God did.
Yes.
now mna ndinomdla ke
He's a
ngoku
wonderful
ixesha
God,
lethu
man.
seli ngathi liyasongeka bana
Yeah.
way forward, where to from here?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead because no sinalixesha because sizawenza phansi sinalixesha nje lincinci sikwazi ufaka nabokugqibela guys kokugqibela because andiyabani kanjani kwisilo semonti bangaba aba abantu kodwa khawusinike ithuba sethuliam.
All right.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
You can send them to me.
Yeah.
You can forward
Yeah.
all of the messages to me.
Yeah,
Please.
Yeah, that will be nice also to
I would also love to
respond.
read them.
Yeah.
I'd also love to read
Yeah.
them.
Before ndikuyeke Lily, uthi lona quickly zakuyeka ngoku uthi lona, hi Lee, I just want to say ndikuthanda kakhulu from uNasiphi Hlukanani ungapha eGqeberha uthi hey fone ndikuthanda ngendlela mangaliso uthi lona contract sithando sami ndikuthanda kakhulu mamsukwini ungunomfundo usisi lona useqonce yena And-
Nomfundo,
Yeah, sis Nomfundo.
Nasiphi.
Yeah, yes. Quickly ngizobayeka uthi hi beautiful Lee, this is Masisi from Kimberley. Oh sana, your win is so personal. The way I cried. I wish you all the best
It's
in
so
life.
personal.
May good Lord keep blessing you. Uthi
Amen.
ndiyakuthanda ke sanazi.
Lovely.
Uyazi lonto leyo. Yeah, baninzi
Yeah.
man Liam.
Bes-
Ngeke
yeah.
bagqibe Liam.
Ewe,
Ngeke bagqibe.
just ke kuba uzawubaleka I think it's the interest of us as South Africans ukuthi where's your
Where
journey
to
from
from
here.
here?
Yeah.
Yes, but
Only God knows.
Okay.
But of course, I have a lot planned
Okay.
out.
okay.
My businesses, my projects.
Oh.
I want to.
Wow.
Love it.
Really trying to invest in my Gap Foundation
Okay.
because I'm really passionate about. I've been actually even
Yeah.
when I was young,
Mm.
working with girls, young
Okay.
girls, and bantwana mana bancinci.
Yeah.
Just to help them
Mm.
walk the road less traveled
Yeah.
and
Mm.
babe ngabantu nabo.
Yeah,
Yabo.
yes.
I feel like I could be the right mentor,
Mm-hmm. And you are.
yeah, for young kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I want to see where that will take me, but also in the industry, of course, my music,
Mm.
Okay.
acting, many more.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
All right, my dear. All right.
Thank
Yeah,
you. I
thank
must
you.
bulele
Hey.
Liema from the Voice
pleasure.
Lounge where voices come to life. Tina,
Thank
so we are very grateful from day one till now. Thank you for choosing us and thank you for being strong in your journey.
Thank you so
Ifamily
much.
yaka Liema, followers, ne South Africans zonke, everyone beyond the borders as well. So thank you for believing in this girl. Thank you for your support. Siyabulela nathi kakhulu.
Yeah, nakulilies guys, thank you once again for showing love.
My lilies.
Oh, my lilies.
Thank you for showing love.
Yeah.
Nisibonele akayazi banganibulala kanganani uthi ugcwele izandla ukunibulela guys.
Yeah.
Uphaka ndawo kuyo today because of you. Unithanda kakhulu. Uthini ke nakwabanye incede nixhase. Nkosi kakhulu.
Thank you guys.
Nkosi man.
Thank you.
Siyabulela.
Siyabulela ngondi.
Akho nto ilibalayo. Singathi kanti khona ilibalayo.
Cinga nje into ilibalayo right now.
No, I just really want to thank wonke umntu, even the people that have sent messages.
Okay.
Ngoba singabafundanga nobafunda. Guys,
Yes.
thank you so much. Like the love is real. I feel it. It's unbelievable. But I definitely want to give back because like nindenze umntu guys. Thank you so much to people who have voted for me. South Africa, my lilies, Ekonce.
Yeah.
You guys, grateful is an understatement. You guys have been with me even in low moments.
Yeah.
And nancedisa to help God.
Yeah.
Nincede uThixo kaloku nina.
Yeah, bavumile uyuzwa.
Basebenzele.
Yeah.
Ingumbutho.
One gang.
Ingumbutho. So thank you
you.
so much.
Wow.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Lovely.
All right. It's now 3 minutes after 2. Right here, the Voice Lounge, where voices come to life. Be okay. Ngcobe mnandi yethu no Liam. Ongowenu guys. Ngowenu Liam. Unithanda into engapha ya. Unithanda into engapha ya. To make sure ke kwi socials Liam, you keep in touch with them because bayakufuna bayakuzakukhumbula. Make sure that you keep in touch with them.
I'm trying my best this year.
Yeah, and but ngabikho umuntu uzocela umtshado ngoku.
Hi, Johnny.
Not now. Makame kancinci.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah, siyazibuze ngeyiphi.
Not now. Siya travelisha.
Yeah, now
Busy
busy ngoku.
Busy ngokusimriri.
Yeah.
Not now.
Yeah.
But soon.
Oh. Wow.
Hi, malume soon, malume.
Okay.
Malume soon.
Abone.
Malume.
Uthina siza ngokukho imali. That's my problem.
Kudale khona malume please.
Oh, okay. I get you.
Okay. Ufike kahle lu. Uthi lona igama lakhe nguAzuza ngazu usendeva uthi Jongatsepho yeba kanti uphula uphefumulo wami xela lo ntombazana leyo bandiyayithanda ezweni uxela bajonga ndiyayithanda ntombazana leyo kakhulu and yeah
uzawungena kamandi uzawurespond.
Okay guys, ibinjalo.
Thank you.
It's been a wonderful day with Uliam Pantsi, the lady that we appreciate and we have turned to umenza umntana wethu nabazali endlini ne-firstborn zabo as nivile kwi-comments zethu, and we learned undobana simfollow, we share from different provinces. Thank you all for doing that. Yeah.
All right, well, guess it's look at 5 minutes after 2 right here, the Voice Lounge, where voices come to life. We're on until 3. Yeah, again, uli kwi social to chill what guys drop on to make sure that you have kuni. Neba ninsi lunjalo, wasiphethe phansi, ajongane nani yanithanda kakhulu. Let's play this song out from Uliam Pantsi for shows ayithanda kakhulu. Keep it locked right here at the Voice Lounge, where voices come to life.
The Voice Lounge, where voices come to life.